Part 1. A Silent Goodbye. Imagine waking up one day, looking at the sky, and the moon is gone. No explosion, no aliens, just poof, vanished. At first it's just confusing. Nights feel darker, tides seem weaker. But soon everything changes. You see, the moon isn't just some pretty nightlight. It stabilizes Earth's axial tilt. Without it, our planet starts to wobble, like a drunk spinning top. Seasons go wild. Winters become brutal. Summers unbearable. Part 2. Waves collapse. Animals confused. Next, tides. The moon pulls on Earth's oceans, creating rhythmic waves that have shaped coastlines and life for billions of years. Without it, tides shrink drastically. Some beaches go still. Coastal ecosystems collapse. Crabs, turtles, and countless species that depend on tidal rhythms lost. Worse, the oceans lose one of their greatest sources of mixing. Nutrients settle. Waters stagnate. Marine life suffocates. And guess what? The moon also helps slow Earth's rotation. No moon equals faster spin equals shorter days. Say goodbye to your 24-hour day. Hello, 15-hour chaos. Part 3. Time breaks down. The long-term consequences are stranger still. Without a stabilizing moon, Earth's climate enters chaotic cycles. Ice ages come and go, unpredictably. Some regions flood, others dry out. Agriculture collapses, entire civilizations rise and fall based on random tilt shifts. Humanity becomes a species of wanderers, always chasing stable weather. And at night, the stars shine, but something feels missing. No glowing disk to inspire songs, myths, and lovers. No giant mirror reflecting sunlight onto Earth's dark side. Part 4. Still looking up. So, what if the moon vanished? We'd lose more than just tides or eclipses. We'd lose rhythm, balance, a cosmic dance partner that shaped Earth's destiny for billions of years. The sky would look bigger, but feel emptier. Nights would be darker, colder, and quieter. Without the moon, the planet keeps spinning, but somehow it stumbles. And humans? We'd adapt. We always do. But we'd still look up, wondering what's missing.